Hey, Sam.
Hey, Watty, where are you? You need to come see Clarence. She's an absolute beaut.
Oh, I'm just over by Center in the Square. Okay, quick left, quick right. Cool, I'd love to come see Clarence.
Kick off the boots even though there's a coat check. Why don't you take a look around? I'll go make you some coffee. You should see the family room and kitchen addition. They even have a dog run for the puppy. There's a two-piece on the main and heated floors in the basement bath. Hey, Daryl, you should go check upstairs first.
Charming house, but where's Clarence?
Coffee is almost ready, but don't miss the third floor.
Thanks, man. Sam, I absolutely adore this house, and you know it's my style, and I looked everywhere, and I cannot find this Clarence.
Watty, the house is Clarence. It's 16 Clarence. It's for sale. Sam Daminato,
Daryl Watty.
Chestnut Park.